How to make a Skittle Bomb Shot. G'day there drinking buddies, Scotty Boxa here again for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes. Go and check it out, and if you haven't subscribed to become my drink buddy, then do that now. Don't forget to subscribe, but this here is this Skittle Bomb, a sweet, easy drink, and this is how to make it. For this you'll need about half a can of Red Bull and 1 ounce of COINTREAU or orange liqueur. Fill your highball glass with about half a can of Red Bull, then drop in your shot of COINTREAU. And there you have it, the Skittle Bomb. Simple, easy to make, and this is how to drink it. Drop your shot into your glass and down the hatch. Bottoms up. If you want more cocktail recipes just like this, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. Go out and enjoy yourself, don't destroy yourself.